If you're planning to study in Germany, this update could either save you months or completely mess up your plans. Right now, thousands of Nigerian students are stuck in one of the most frustrating visa systems in Europe. Some people have waited months, others almost 2 years, and some never even got an appointment. But now everything has changed, or should I say, is about changing. The German consulate in Nigeria has handed over a major part of the process to VFS Global. And this is not just a small update. This changes how you get your appointment, where you submit your document, how fast your visa could be processed, and most importantly, what happens if you're not ready. Now, here's the scary part of everything. If your documents are not complete when your appointment comes, you might be sent all the way back to the waiting list. And trust me, this is something you don't want. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the new system works, hidden advantages nobody's talking about, and serious disadvantages you should need to prepare for, and what you should start doing today if you're ready. Let's delve in. Before now, everything was handled directly by the consulate. You had to wait for an appointment, you show up at the consulate, submit your documents, and also do your biometrics. But due to extremely high demand, the system became overloaded. In fact, Germany had to introduce the waiting list because appointment slots were too limited. Now the process has been split. The consulate still handles decision making and visa approval, while VFS Global now handles appointment scheduling, document collection, biometrics, and fee collection. So instead of going to the consulate, you now go to a VFS center in Lagos. Everything happens there in one place. And this is actually how many countries run their visa systems globally. Let's be honest. The system before this change was struggling. Appointment demand was extremely high. Waiting lists kept growing and processing timelines were unpredictable. Some visa processes can take 16 to 18 months or even more from start to finish, now depending on your preparation and the backlog. And even after submitting, many applicants complain about no update, no clear timeline, no feedback. So the consulate introduced this new system to reduce the bottlenecks, speed up processing, create a more predictable timeline, and clear the backlog of applicants faster. Let me simplify it for you step by step. You still register on the consular portal, you join the waiting list, appointments are given in chronological order. You get contacted by VFS Global. You then go to the VFS Center for biometrics, document submission, and payment. An important detail to note is that you actually upload your document online before your appointment. This means if you prepare early, your process becomes faster. It's also important to note that you still need to register through the German consulate portal and join the waiting list before getting an appointment. Now, an appointments are scheduled in chronological order, like I said in the earlier part of this video. The cost implication of this update is that you pay the visa fee of 75 euros, which is unchanged, a VFS admin fee of 57,000, SMS of 2,000, carrier fee of 24,000. And here's a small win. You no longer need to buy prepaid envelopes before your interview for outrageous prices, but a unified price. Everything is strictly handled at the VFS Center. Let's talk about why this could actually be good for you. To ignite a faster processing system, because VFS specializes in handling applications, the process becomes more efficient and fast. Backlog reduction, meaning more applications can be handled at once, and the waiting list should shrink gradually. A more structured system. So what this means is that everything is organized from scheduling to submission, and also better predictability. Now, instead of waiting blindly, timelines become more stable. Thirdly, a more centralized processing, meaning everything happens in just one location. There's the point of early document upload advantage. So if your documents are ready early, you're already ahead. And lastly, less chaos at the consulate, which reduces delays overall. Of course, there are cons to this update, and this is the part most people tend to ignore and make costly mistakes. Now, when it comes to no rescheduling safety net, if your documents are not ready, you're in trouble because incomplete applications are not processed at all, meaning you go back to the waiting list. Now, when it comes to more pressure to preparation, you must be 100% prepared before your appointment. And the additional cost I talked about is that you're now paying an extra fee. That's the VFS administrative fees. And then the strict system rules, which means wrong information equals rejection or delay, and incorrect booking equals you starting all over again, which is still dependent on the waiting list. The system is improved, but not instant. Now, when it comes to third-party risks, any delay or miscommunication from VFS can affect you. And lastly, email dependency, miss your email equals miss your opportunity. Let me be very honest with you. This update is not automatically good or bad. It depends on you. If you're prepared early, organized, and your documents are ready, then this system will work in your favor. But if you are waiting until last minute, still sorting admission and funds, this system will punish you. Now, here should be your game plan. Register as early as possible. Start preparing your document now. Don't wait for appointment before preparation. Also, double check everything before submission. Monitor your email daily, because once your appointment comes, there is no second chance. This is one of the biggest changes in the German visa process for Nigerians, and honestly, it could make things faster, but only for those who are ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button down below, as well as share and subscribe. That way this video gets to a wider audience and it keeps the channel growing. And if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments. I'll try to respond to them all. Until the next time, I love you guys. Stay focused, stay motivated. Adios.